The feasibility and operating model of Lowe's U.S. with SWOT, 6 P's of marketing, and a feasibility study lens. Good morning, everyone. Today I'll break down how Lowe's wins in the U.S. home improvement market, why its model is feasible and resilient, and which levers operators must pull to run it well. We'll cover 1. The operating model, 2. A feasibility study view, 3. The 6 P's of marketing, and 4. A crisp SWOT, then close with the KPIs that keep the flywheel spinning. 1. The operating model, how Lowe's works, who Lowe's serves, and where it plays. Lowe's operates over 2,700 U.S. stores, serving roughly 16 million customer transactions per week, with a balanced focus on DIY homeowners and professional contractors. Pros. Since divesting its Canadian business in early 2023, now RONA under Sycamore Partners, Lowe's is a U.S.-focused retailer, simplifying strategy and capital allocation. Strategy backbone, Total Home. Introduced at the 2020 Investor Update and reiterated in corporate strategy, Total Home means end-to-end project coverage, products plus services for DIY and pro, delivered through a customer-centric omni-channel experience. Priorities include growing pro, accelerating online, and owning big and bulky fulfillment. Assortment and brands. From building materials, tools, paint, and electrical to decor and appliances, Lowe's pairs national brands with strong exclusive private labels, e.g. Cobalt, Allen Proth, Project Source, Origin 21, Stainmaster, to sharpen value and margin. Pro Engine, the MyLowe's Pro Rewards program offers business accounts, points to MyLowe's Money, free standard shipping on qualifying purchases and targeted deals, plus in-store pro desks and outside sales support, omnichannel and last mile. Lowe's complements BOPIS curbside with same-day delivery partnerships and a market-based delivery model, MBDM, that routes big and bulky items, appliances, etc., from DC's cross-docks to the customer, improving speed, damage rates, and inventory turns. The MBDM rollout is complete across the U.S. network. Recent pro-adjacent moves. To deepen pro penetration, Lowe's acquired Artisan Design Group, ADG, in 2025, design, distribution, and installation of flooring, cabinets, countertops, and agreed to acquire Foundation Building Materials, FBM, drywall insulation distributor to widen service coverage for builders and property managers. 2. Feasibility Study. Is the model viable? Demand drivers. The U.S. remodeling market remains large and steady, supported by aging housing stock, high home equity, and stay-put homeowners upgrading instead of moving. Harvard's JCHS projects modest growth into 2026 after a flat patch, keeping spending elevated at historically high levels. Competitive landscape. Key rival, Home Depot, regionals, and online specialists play around the edges. Lowe's moats include brand scale, private brand value, omni-channel reach, and an increasingly pro-centric offer, loyalty, quotes, delivery windows, installation, site and footprint feasibility. Big box sites need high traffic access, truck-friendly logistics, and room for garden appliance flows. Trade area success correlates with home ownership density, pro clusters, and co-tenancy that drives frequent trips. Unit economics, 4 levers. Comp sales, DIY traffic plus pro ticket, gross margin mix, private brand penetration plus services, installation. Operating leverage, labor scheduling, utilities, shrink. Inventory productivity, turns, GMROII, helped by the MBDM for bulky goods, operating feasibility. Execution rests on vendor partnerships, regional DCs and cross-docks, order management for BOPIS ship from store, delivery orchestration, and trained associates in project selling. Same-day partnerships add speed for smaller baskets and seasonal peaks. Macro sensitivity. Remodeling growth is currently modest but positive. Weather events and energy efficiency upgrades keep baseline repair, replace steady, supporting cash-generative box economics, even as rates, inflation temper big-ticket DIY. Bottom line, with scale, omni-channel delivery, and a pro-led growth thesis, Lowe's is structurally feasible and durable through cycles, provided operators keep in-stock, price trust, last-mile SLAs, and pro-loyalty tight. 3. The 6 P's of marketing at Lowe's. 1. Product, full-line hard lines, plus decor, plus appliances, project bundles, e.g., bath refresh kits, exclusive private labels to balance value and margin for DIY and pro. 2. Price, everyday value, targeted promos, pro rewards with points, Milo's money, negotiated quotes on larger jobs, and free standard shipping benefits for qualified pro tiers. 3. Place, nationwide box network plus omnichannel, BOPIS, curbside, ship from store, DC, same day on many items, and market-based delivery for big and bulky. 4. Promotion, weekly digital circulars, search, social, how-to content, seasonal campaigns, pro events, and targeted offers via first-party data from pro accounts. 5. People, department experts, paint, plumbing, tools, dedicated pro desks and outside sales, incentives tied to NPS, OSAT, attachment, and safety. 6. Process, standard planograms, cycle counts, returns workflow, order management SLAs for BOPIS and scheduled deliveries, vendor OTIF scorecards, MBDM playbooks for bulky categories. 4. SWOT, operators view strengths, scale U.S. brand with 1,700 stores and strong omnichannel reach. Clear total home strategy, pro growth focus with loyalty and delivery depth. Private brands, Cobalt, Allen Sroth, Origin 21, etc. for value margin control. MBDM for big and bulky, better speed, damage rates, and turns. Weaknesses, high fixed costs of large formats and delivery network, seasonal complexity, spring-fall resets, and variable in-store expertise by market. Opportunities, deeper pro penetration, builders trades via ADG and FBM capabilities, job site services, quotes, and credit. Faster last mile, same day, next day, and richer project configurators content. Energy efficiency, aging in place, and disaster repair categories, steady demand. Threats, intense rivalry, price transparency, pro land grab. Supply shocks, weather commodities, and labor tightness in delivery, Josh install. Regulatory shifts affecting product assortments, codes, environmental rules. The operating playbook, what great looks like in stock and presentation, 95% in stock on A SKUs, clean power aisles, signed end caps. Pro first thing, early open, reserved loading, quote to pick up 2 hours, job site deliveries. Attachment logic, paint, rollers, tape, vanity, faucet, P-trap, sealant. Omni-channel discipline, BOPIS 60 minutes, same day where available, scheduled bulky deliveries via MBDM. Seasonal excellence, vendor co-planning for spring-fall, markdown ladders post-season, safety and shrink, weekly toolbox talks, MHE certification, top shrink SKU audits, run it by the numbers, KPI stack, sales, comps, pro mix percent, AVG, ticket, transactions, merch, GM percent, private brand penetration, promo lift, attachment rate, supply chain, in-stock percent, OTIF, inventory turns, damages, delivery on-time percent, operations, labor productivity, shrink percent, safety incidents, BOPIS wait time, customer, NPS, OSAT, repeat rate, pro tier migration, app MAUs. Lowe's feasibility today rests on a simple truth. Own the whole project for DIY and pro, and deliver it fast, reliably, and profitably. With Total Home, a completed market-based delivery network, and pro-centric investments, ADG, FBM, the model is built to endure cycles, so long as operators protect the flywheel. In-stock reliability, price trust, pro loyalty, and disciplined processes. Keep those tight, and the Blue Apron keeps leading projects from inspiration to installation. Note, public sources place Lowe's U.S. store base at over 1,700 officially. Third-party trackers estimate not 1,760 locations as of Oct 2025. Use the corporate figure in formal materials.